Room. What go on? Yes, man. YouTube young, we're back in the lab, you know. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than. You see who are there with? Yes, man. Time and God himself, man. Enhance. Young G's, the one named Free Me Demons. What? Time and God to free me demons, but I hear upon. I check it out and see what dog do. Dog upon the pain and anger Riddim. You see me? So I see what dog do with. Enhance, very talented artist, as me dog far to go, young and I came to, so in career only have, levels to go. So keep doing your thing, gang. That's where dog I deal with. Enhance, Young G's, Free Me Demons, let's get it.
Young G's Records. You know the guy now.
Okay, Young G Records, big up yourself. Buckler, what the fuck this? Young G Records, big up yourself.
Free me demon and set moon so. Friend I kill friend in my place, so I grow. That's why me not trust a soul. Better stay far if you know what me know. Just one funny move and me live you can't know. Me not have heart, me don't even have soul. Me not grow with love, so me not know for sure.
What the fuck, you not have heart, you don't even have soul and hands. What the hell happened to you, bro? What's wrong with you?
You know what me know. Just one funny move and me live you can't know. Me not have heart, me don't even have soul. Me not grow with love, so me not know for sure. Me not like that.
That's why you have to watch who you even know. For them people that know love for real, you know. And then you have love in your heart. Go at you.
That girl I cool. Me represent the streets of Spain town, but Spanish hard. No run joke, me no want see nobody laugh. Then I'm torn, I'm a place me nah fi talk. We no frying for nothing and nobody dog. Vanity and nothing drop a beast and now wash it up.
Spanish, but we no see no joke, we no want see nobody laugh.
But Spanish hard. No run joke, me no want see nobody laugh. Then I'm torn, I'm a place me nah fi talk. We no frying for nothing and nobody dog. Vanity and nothing drop a beast and now wash it all. Now me no frying for girl run the catches and go school kick me early me did a fi dog. So I brawl in somebody we get shot in night crow. Flames and touch and gas and sparkle lighter.
Go on show.
No frying for girl run the catches and go school kick me early me did a fi dog. So I brawl in somebody we get shot in night crow. Flames and touch and gas and sparkle lighter. More free me demon, set moon soul on fire.
More free me demon, set my hopes on fire. What the fuck?
More free me demon, set moon soul on fire. Flames and touch and gas and sparkle lighter. Free me demon, set moon soul on fire.
Moon soul, what the fuck?
Free
Why I
me
set the
demon.
soul on fire or I'm too? But then do say fire purify it, you know, and cleans all impurities. So
Smoke my weed again, I voices in a mirror where I can't take the night. Free me demon, set moon soul on fire. On fire. Never jumpy. Plus no boy couldn't kick up and count me. I go road travel with the cut off mud pumpy. Full the Glock belly and go and stay hungry. None about the world, I don't lovely. Fully bleach out and cranny and ugly. You know how much of them girls still a fuck me. That type of fame and money. But me no give a fuck. Me phone girl and rap one.
go on show.
Know how much of them girls still a fuck me. That type of fame and money. But me no give a fuck. Me phone girl and rap one in night. Me girlfriend mother no like a bone in a me. Me no give a fuck how me grow me. I live shape in a iniquity and I roll in a sin. Enough man wife a worry na this. Me nah married baby. Go check your phone for your ring. Me don't put me heart and soul in a fridge. Man cool in a this.
Go on.
I fuck how me grow me. I live shape in a iniquity and I roll in a sin. Enough man wife a worry na this. Me nah married
That's
baby.
facts.
Go check your phone for your ring.
Enough man wife are wearing this now, man. You go check your phone for your ring. Bumbucklet. Hey. I really shit. Enough man wife are wearing this. But you know, my baby, you go check your phone for your ring, man. Go on, show.
Don't put me heart and soul in a fridge. Man cool in a this. Yeah, sparkle, gas and sparkle lighter. Free me demon, set moon soul on fire. Flame and touch and gas and sparks and light. Free me demon, set moon, soul and fire. Flame and touch and gas and sparks and light. Free me demon, set moon, soul and fire. Yeah. Flame and touch and gas and spark and light. Free me demon, set moon, soul and fire.
Yeah, man. Buckley.
Set moon, soul and fire.
Yeah, man, Nhance. Big up your damn self, man. You're a big bad artist, me G. You talk, you the well talented. Yeah, man, the man say, yo, enough my wife are worrying at this. The man say, yo, my girlfriend mother not like a bone in me, but me no give a fuck. But me no give a fuck, me still a live. Shaping and iniquity and a world, and I saying, enough man wife you are worrying at this. Now married baby go check a phone for your ring. Pump lad. Alright, dog. Hey, anyway though gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Shout out to Nhance, Young G's, Free Me, Demons. Nhance, Nhance. Good youth, you know what I'm saying? Good artist, man. Shout out to Nhance, man. Bad artist, bad artist. Definitely deserve more praise and highlight than he's getting. You see me what I'm saying? But shout out to Nhance, man. You see me what I'm saying? Really dope artist, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get it.